What a crazy morning. Oh my goodness. Not so much of a beautiful morning. Actually, it kind of is outside, but it's 8:45. You ever have those days where you just start the day like you're up early and you're just move, and there's so much going on and you're doing so much and you're running around. You're like, am I getting anything done? Yeah, that's been my morning today. So I'm a little late getting this video started, but let's go over what I got to get done today. This is the goals. I have a meeting with my sister. I design a magazine, a local magazine for my sister, because I'm a graphic designer. I don't know if you knew that or not. I do a lot of different stuff, hence the A to Z for moms like me, because I do everything and I love it. I love lots of different things. I like to stay busy and I like a variety of things. So I love learning new stuff all the time. So the eclectic YouTube channel is that's why. So I have a meeting with my sister for her magazine, and then I have a meeting with Intermountain Prep. It's part of that prep program that I'm the director of. This is all like our directors board meeting with all the other prep sites. So it's a lot of fun. Love all my prep directors. They're awesome. Our freeze dryer. Oh, I gotta go check that. So last night I ended up adding extra hours because I didn't want it to finish in the middle of the night. I'm so gonna go look at that here in a second. And then my closet, that's carried over from yesterday. Let's go look at the freeze dryer. Just come with me. I'm not even gonna turn off the camera. You get to see my whole messy house because this is real. This is life, right? This is how it works. Okay, so the extra dry time. Oh, Nelly, look at this. So can you see those puffed up? Okay, there's kind of a reflection. I need to record a video because I do the tutorial videos for this on my YouTube channel. So I need to stop this and record that video, and then I'll come back and show you the results. But holy cow, they're all puffed up huge. I love it. Okay, hang on. Look at those. That's hilarious. I love it. Love it. I can't wait for my husband to try those. Those are hilarious. All right. Got all the freeze-dried foods bagged up. Well, I guess I put the Parmesan chicken in the garage already, but yay, one more thing done. Well, obviously watermelon is not a way to get rid of flies. Look at that. They don't even care that I'm around. Oh, now they fly away. But, however, there's none on the coop. Oh, just kidding. I see some. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I see 5. Anyhow. Okay, take your stuffed animals for a walk.
Where's Pinky's butt? It's kind of hard because shoulder turns. And this is a lot easier.
That's a lot easier.
Put on their collars. That's why they have collars. See, the reason why I needed that thing is because her
awesome. I love it. You're geniuses. Quick run to the store with my teenager. Drop the other one off at work. And it's hot. Thank you. We got some groceries. Now we're ready to head back home. There we go. So I get home with my groceries. And my daughter, who's moving out here soon to go to college, informs me she's taking the 2 littlest girls that are 9 and 6. She's taking them out to dinner, as she's been doing like bonding stuff with them, right? So she's taking them out to dinner. And my 14-year-old son, who was in the car with me, tells me, yeah, well, he asked if he could go with, and I said, that's fine by me. So he went with them, which leaves me to put away groceries by myself. And, whoa, come on. My poor husband has a headache. So he came home. Oh, I'm trying to see. Oh, this is tricky with one hand. Let's see. Can I do it? There we go. So my poor husband came home early from work with a headache. So he's in the bedroom trying to sleep off his headache. By the way, sausage was on sale for $1.99. Like right now, the sausage is normally like $5. So we can only get 5, which normally I'd be like, oh, that's tons of sausage, but there's 8 of us. Are you kidding? We need 2 of those to do 1 meal. Anyhow, so now I'm putting away groceries, and I just checked my to-do list, and everything is done except for, surprise, surprise, the closet. Now, I did start the closet at one point today. I think it was right around the time, right before my husband came home from work. So this time it's not really my fault, but look at this kitchen. So I think I'm going to just see how much stuff I can get done out here. I got just a couple more things of groceries to put away, but yeah, I don't have to worry about dinner for anybody except for my husband and I. If he was feeling better, I'd say we'd go out for a date night, but I don't think he's gonna feel up to it. So it's just he and I, something. But I don't know why I do this to myself. It's because it's my personality. I gotta stay busy. The store, look at these. Aren't those gorgeous? And they're pretty hard right now. Oh, but so locally, I got 2 boxes of these peaches. So there's a local orchard here where we're at, and they have the most amazing peaches ever. Sorry, where am I? Super shaky. There we go. They have the most amazing peaches ever. And so we bought 2 cases. These are 20-pound boxes. They were on sale for $1 a pound. I'm like, score! So here's a tip. This same orchard, they sell them. They have a little like farmer's fruit stand, whatever. They sell them for $2.50 a pound. Or you can go pick your own for $1.50 a pound. So normally we would do that. Like we would just take our kids and we would go pick our own and, you know, save the money, but also get the experience. And it's good for the kids. You get out in nature, all that. But then when the local grocery store had them, and they're from the same farm, and for 99 cents a pound, and they probably just bought a huge bulk, and so they got a good deal. But I'm like, sold. That's awesome because it's local and it supports technically 2 businesses because it supports the orchard and the grocery store, and it gives me a really good deal. So I'm all for that. So 2 weeks ago, I bought 2 boxes, and we made a ton of peach mango jam and then syrup, and I pureed a bunch and froze a bunch. We're gonna put some in the freeze dryer, and they are so good. They have the most amazing flavor ever. So I bought 2 more because they sold out pretty fast. So when we were there at the store today and they had more, yeah, I grabbed 2 more boxes. So we're gonna do something with all those peaches. There's one, there's the other one on the chair. And then while I was there, they also had tomatoes on the vine, which is the best, seriously. So closest you can get to fresh garden tomatoes without actually having a garden. I mean, we have some but in our garden, but they're not gonna be red for a while. So these were on sale for 88 cents a pound, I think. So we got a few bunches because I told my son, I was like, ooh, maybe we should make some homemade spaghetti sauce and freeze dry that. I'm all about freeze drying. Anytime something's on a good sale, we stock up and freeze dry, or, you know, sometimes we put it in our freezer, but we freeze dry it or whatever. And it's to the point we don't really go to the grocery store a whole lot. We get milk, cheese, and bread. And then any fresh fruit like apples or whatever that we need to eat. That's about it. Like anything else we get are just like fillers, whatever we're getting low on the food storage with. It's really nice because we've come to that point where we're not as dependent on the grocery store. Love it. So I was thinking homemade spaghetti sauce, but Brady said I should make my homemade salsa, which is also really good. And I think I could freeze dry. Let's see, it does have olive oil in it, but it's blended pretty good. So I think it would freeze dry pretty well. So I think we'll do that. We'll make some homemade salsa. I call it miracle sauce because out of the top 10 most healthy foods for you to eat, it has like 5 or 6 of them in this sauce. The recipe's on the blog, what8ate.com, so you can find it on there. I think it's just called Miracle Sauce. It's not called salsa. Anyhow, so I'm going to put groceries away, and then check this out. This stack. Let's see if I can even lift it. Oh, these Scholastic book order forms, because I do the homeschool. We do a book club. And so they send me these all the time, and I hand them out to the other parents. A lot of the parents just do it digitally anyway now, but I need to go through and look and see what books we want to order for our kids for this next order. So I think while the house is quiet, I'm going to work on kitchen and go through the book orders, get stuff put away, and then look at the book orders.